Welcome back to Instables, everyone. So I'm going to go over exactly what has to happen for HUSA to continue. We closed strong on Friday. What kind of strength do we have here? The market getting pretty choppy. Oil and energy picking up volume slowly on Friday. Are we going to continue on with that momentum in oil and energy names? I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for here on HUSA to have a continuation. Now, before I jump into this again, if you guys do like this video, it helps the channel grow and I appreciate it very much. Hit subscribe if you want to see more chart updates that I mention every single day. I mention a market update almost every single day throughout the week. And if you are a day trader or you are looking for those same day movers throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. So let's jump into this one. So jumping into the daily chart with you guys here on HUSA, as you guys can see again, previously we had a major spike all the way up to 1667. Now we are on a pullback and now we have been consolidating. So our question would be, what would we be looking for to have a continuation on this bounce here, to have a possible gap into our previous gaps that we had to the upside? So as you guys can see again, we have been bouncing. We had a previous bounce here at 615 and we did bounce yesterday all the way up to 576 going into extended hours. So we had a major bounce just under our 615 level. So we don't want to get double topped here to the downside and get a large rejection. If the market, for example, had a major pullback and HUSA got a piece of that, we don't want to be in the middle of that, of course. So we're going to be looking for a continuation over 615 with a continuation on momentum. As you guys can see here on TradingView, if you guys do want to set an alert, you go over the plus sign here to the right. You click the plus sign, you click add alert, and then you could put that alert right above the level that you're looking for here. Again, a rejection at 615. We had a lot of consolidation previously before we did continue on lower. And just as we got under our 20-day moving average, we did continue on lower. So as you guys can see, we would be looking for, again, our 20 to at least cross back over our 50 to get a stronger push here. If we're looking for more confirmation for that strength, that is what I'll be looking for. And as you guys can see, as far as our relative strength, we are not overbought. So we did get a major bounce recently. We did not get overbought. So that does show us if we are going to continue here with that strength, we are going to be looking for that strength above our previous spike that we had. And then that move on that bounce and that continuation on more confirmation would be jumping into overbought and a possible move from there. So that probably is exactly what would happen if HUSA did continue here on the RSI. So looking for that break there as well. And as far as our strength here on the MACD, I do like that our EMA lines are above our MACD. If we do continue on with the lower end of our EMA line and continues to cross above our MACD, again, above the median of our MACD, then that does show us that we still could continue. We do have an increase in buy pressure currently, and we do not have any white shaded lines. On the SPY, we do have a white shaded line that came in on Friday. So again, on the SPY, we would be careful. But however, if we get that shift in momentum in the market, will HUSA react against the market as an oil name? We're going to be watching for that break because of that. And again, if the market were to have a large reaction to the downside, then HUSA could possibly get a piece of that. But if HUSA does react against the market and continues to, then we could possibly see that continuation here. Watching our volume will be very key. As you guys can see, we got more volume on that bounce that we had previously. So we'd be looking for a continuation on that volume to see if we can possibly get a gap up above our previous volume point to see if we do continue on with momentum. Again, that 20 jumping back over the 50 is going to be exactly what we're looking for here. As you guys can see previously on AMC, we had a major bounce, and to get that continuation on that bounce, we did need our 20 to cross back over our 50, and we got that break here and had that huge gap up here. So as far as a stronger move, we do want to see if we can at least get our 20 to cross back over our 50 to have that stronger move to the upside. So we're going to keep an eye on that here on HUSA. Anything before that leading into 615 from here, in my opinion, would be pretty risky. So I definitely would be watching my indicators on this one, making sure we do increase in volume. And again, try to get overbought here on the RSI to see if we can continue on into overbought. As you guys can see previously, for example, we broke into overbought. We had a continuation here on momentum because we went into overbought and then we had a gap up. So that was the stronger move. And from this point, since we are just under overbought, that would be the break that we're looking for here again. So we'll keep an eye on this. Now, again, with that said, if you are a day trader or you guys are looking for intraday perspective breakouts that we mentioned throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. And all of you instables that come over every single day and support the channel, much love to every one of you guys. I appreciate every one of you guys. We're going to continue to go at it, stay patient, take what the market gives us, and I really do hope you guys have a blessed weekend. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.